Hey guys, so today I'll be reviewing this curly bob wig that I purchased from Wiggins Hair. If you're interested and you want to know more, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. So this is what it comes in, and it comes with the wig cap, of course, the hair care booklet, the headband, and the promotion booklet. This is what the wig looks like. She's beautiful, she's thick, and she's full. Okay, let's get into the cap. Well, it has 3 combs. Actually no, it has 4 combs. And guys, I was actually surprised by how much lace and parting space that the wig gives you, but it does give you a lot of parting space, and of course adjustable straps. Now let's get into this hairline. As you guys can see, it comes pre-plucked and the part already looks natural. Of course, I went ahead to do all the bleaching, plucking, and all of that, and then I'm gonna talk on camera for a bit, and then we're gonna go back to voiceover. Okay, see y'all later. This is her right here. I finished shampooing it and taking all the, what do you call it, the bleach out, and I even dyed the hair like black again, especially like the roots here, because some of the dye, some of the bleach got on the hair, but I think it came out good. And I also just plucked it right now. Look at how she's looking. Love it. Let me just go ahead and give you guys the details of this hair. So this hair is from Wiggins Hair, and it is their natural black curly 13x4 bob wig. It's a medium size cap, and it's in 180 density. And guys, this isn't bad at all for 180 density. Honestly, let me not get ahead of myself. 180 density, 16 inches, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I ordered it on August 5th and it came on August 12th, so it took about a month, not a month, a week to get to me, which isn't bad actually. This lace, now this is not even HD lace, but the way it just blended into my hairline, I was just so impressed. Of course, it sheds. And it's curly hair, so I think it's gonna shed a lot because it's already shedding quite a bit now, and even before I plucked it or anything. So yeah, for the density, as you guys can see, she's full, and it's full all the way from the top to the bottom. Like, I like that. I don't like when it starts getting thin on the bottom, because yeah, no, it just looks like unhealthy ends. These look like all healthy ends, like, you know, naturalista. In terms of tangling, it does tangle a lot too. Of course, it's curly hair, so that's to be expected. Honestly, yeah, like, I only have good things to say about this hair. I think maybe the only thing I don't really like so much about this hair would be that, I don't know, some of the curls, like, they're not really uniform. Some of them tend to drop like more straighter than others, so I just hope that, I don't know, it holds up. I'll leave all the links below. Subscribe, stay tuned for the next video, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.